Hello, and welcome to our video about the potential dangers of ChatGPT. ChatGPT, a large language model developed by OpenAI, is a powerful tool that can generate human-like text, but it's important to remember that it is not human. It has been trained on a vast amount of text data, but it does not have the ability to understand context, emotions, or the nuances of human communication. In a very scary situation, this lack of understanding can lead to disastrous consequences. One of the main dangers of ChatGPT is its ability to create fake news or misleading information. In times of crisis, such as a terrorist attack or a natural disaster, misinformation can spread rapidly, causing panic and chaos. False information about the location of the attack, the number of casualties, or the actions of authorities, can lead to confusion and make the situation worse. With ChatGPT's ability to generate human-like text, it can be used to impersonate individuals or organizations, spreading false information and causing confusion. Another potential danger of ChatGPT is its ability to control or manipulate individuals. For example, imagine a hacker using ChatGPT to impersonate a loved one or a trusted authority figure, sending messages that convince the individual to divulge sensitive information or carry out dangerous actions. This type of manipulation can have serious real-world consequences. With the ability to generate human-like text, it can be difficult to distinguish between a message from a real person and one generated by ChatGPT. Another possible use of ChatGPT in a very scary situation is its ability to spread hate speech and incite violence. Racist or sexist language generated by ChatGPT can be used to spread hate speech, which can lead to violence or discrimination. This can have serious real-world consequences and can make the situation even worse. It's also important to note that these concerns are not limited to ChatGPT, but apply to any AI language generation models. The ability of these models to generate human-like text poses similar risks, regardless of the specific model in use. While ChatGPT is a powerful tool that can be used for good, in a very scary situation, its potential for misuse must be acknowledged and addressed. As with any technology, it's up to us as users to understand its capabilities and limitations, and to use it responsibly. It's crucial that we, as a society, put regulations and ethical guidelines in place to govern the use of such technology, in order to mitigate these potential dangers. It's also important to note that the risks of ChatGPT are not limited to just the above examples. There are many other potential dangers that it could be used for example in cyber warfare, political manipulation, and more. Therefore, it is vital that we stay informed and aware of these risks, and that we continue to study and research the potential dangers of AI language generation models, such as ChatGPT. In conclusion, ChatGPT is a powerful tool that can generate human-like text, but it's important to remember that it is not a human. It has the ability to create fake news, manipulate individuals, and incite violence. In a very scary situation, these abilities can have disastrous consequences. It's up to us as users to understand its capabilities and limitations, and to use it responsibly. Thank you for watching. This video was made with the assistance of ChatGPT. The power is real.
Please, hit the like and subscribe button. It's really appreciated. Thank you.